So, I don't know if my video title's gonna work, but hey, at least we got a new game to play. Might not continue Half-Life, but it's whatever. We're gonna play Fireworks Mania. If you watch Captain Sauce, you know what it is. Oh, yeah, I am playing with mods. Let's do the town. I've been playing this a little bit, but you're gonna see all the destruction I can create. As Brian Griffin, no less. The dog from Family Guy. I'm gonna stop with the trumpet questions. So let's blow up the gas station first. Yeah, let's blow up a gas station first, cause why not? I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I guess I have a skibidi toilet firework. I knew about this, but we're gonna launch it in and see what happens.
My style is ridiculous.
Or it can just blow me up. The slammer. I don't think I want to point it at myself. Alright, let's see if we can do this correctly now. Maybe. I feel like that's a bit too extreme. Let's do Barbarian Blast. Ugh. Oh my god. So it's missing completely. Oh, it hit the truck. Maybe if I hit the propane tank. Hold on. Okay, run out. Alright. Maybe the crack attack? What is this thing? Oh. Okay, that's not gonna end well. Huh. Well, on to our next option, which will be Jimmy. Thank you. Ugh, I just got snot on my mic. Yucky. Alright, 3, 2, 1, boom! I said boom! Oh my goodness. Well, I don't think this thing's Oh, it's still standing. It still has everything, I guess. I feel like we can do more. There's a special item, called Tim. Let's let him in here and get the heck out. Oh my god. Well, that wasn't so bad. For those who know, I was kind of hoping for more destruction. Maybe if I place like a ton of these here, would this work? Carl's son is an interesting name. Are they? Oh, I found the smoothie machine. Oh, glug 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 glug. Wait, hold on. I can do better. That just sounds like I'm sucking dick. Okay. What's... Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna pretend I don't know anything, because I know everything in this game. Let's launch Wilson into this house. Is that it? Okay, I got a question. What if I put like a mega... What if I combine like a mega shell and like 1,000 Tims? What would happen? I'm not gonna do like a thousand, but no, that's not Tim. We'll see. That thing is shaped like Tim, so why not these all right? Oh, I want to try to contain the explosion, not blow everything up, you know. And to make this really dramatic, I'm gonna throw Maxwell in there. Oh, now we just wait, I guess. Did that ignite? Oh, it ignited them. Oh. Well, I heard one of them like, I hear them like flying everywhere. Well, I guess this family doesn't have a home anymore. How did this house survive? How did this truck get here? Ooh, a fireworks store. Doesn't look too broken. I feel like the doors are missing. What should I blow up the fireworks store with? Powder? What is this? Done? Are we done? I guess I just scorched a fireworks store with a bunch of powder. What even? Oh my god, that's loud. Okay. Now for the final thing we're gonna do in this map before I switch over to the big old city map, we're gonna have a congregation. We're gonna have the Captain Sensibles. We're gonna have the Captain Sensibles be in the front. Something like that. Yeah, I guess that'll work. We'll have the Jacksepticeyes, like... Okay. You know, this game doesn't really... transforming into... Shrek. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll just put them like that. Who cares? Oh, we'll do the PewDiePie thing. Doesn't even look like him. Okay, they're a little spaced out. Okay, whatever. I guess some of them will be flying. Of course, we gotta put down Wilson. There's There's Wilson's. Max Supplier, Marky-Poo. Is that what the weirdos call him? Marky-Poo? I'm just kidding, I totally call him Marky-Poo too. Mr. Breast, no. I think we'll have Jim as our final congregationist. Now you might be wondering why I tilted them up. It's totally not because of my height. It's because there's a there's a nuke right there, just hanging around. Oh, and there's a bunch of like communist fireworks, I guess. I don't know. Oh, hold on. There's like propane tanks to. Actually, I'm probably gonna have to fuse this so I don't get launched off the map. But you know, we gotta put down our Okay, there's some outside, but whatever. Propane tanks. I'll place down a chair for good measure. Oh, there's a. Oh, we need the gender reveal fireworks too. Can't forget these. I guess it'd be more of this one, wouldn't it? Whatever. The anvil. Oh, we need barbarian blast. The fat bill, sure. Let's see. Oh, not you. I want Maxwell in here. I guess the spinning cat will do too. Now, whenever you deal with the big explosives, from what I've learned, if you don't anchor them, they might accidentally trigger and explode. So yeah, I'll just keep that in mind, but you know, it's whatever. Yeah, but we're lining the roof up with Tim. I don't know if this is a good idea to put these cars like this. I just realized I blocked the door. I'm gonna have to delete some of these guys. Can I even walk through? I can. I swear I heard one of them lighting. Oh, we're gonna. Actually, might be a bit too much to put a mega shell in here. I'll put 4. I'll put 4 in. I'll scatter these guys. Okay. Oh, I gotta put down the Mr. Breast ones. Where is it? There it is. I'll put this one in too while I'm at it. Palm tree. Sure. Palm tree. Kitty poop. Rainbow tower. I'm not sure if this is gonna like explode my PC, but hey, we'll probably figure out what happens. Doom boom. Can't forget doom boom. Male toes. Alright. A bottle bomb. Okay, so I'll just put this in here. I feel like if I detonated this in here, it wouldn't end well, but I'm kind of curious to see what happens. Okay, I actually think I know a funny way to do this. I want to connect this. I want to run all the way to the mountains back here. Because there's no way this thing isn't going to propel me 1,000 feet. Is that a light? I guess it is. I'm gonna do this behind cover too. I don't know if it'll work, but hey. This is kind of a long fuse. Oh, you know what? What I'll do is I'll just shorten it like to right here, and then connect it to that. how. Well, I guess you probably should watch it, so I'm not gonna let you guys not watch it. It might take a while, but you know. I can see the destruction of this town. The fires is gonna make this town, like, gone. Let's just say that. I can't even. Oh, there's the fuse. Fast. Instant. Is it instant mode? I guess we have that. I guess it's gonna be taking a while. I didn't know you could just change it. Actually, no, I don't feel like it's a good idea to just walk in there and fix it, because that fuse probably is going to explode any second now. It's going to take a while, but you know, this is what happens when you don't know how to edit. You gotta walk, you gotta pass through the pain as I do. Now I get on top of this mountain. Maybe it'll make it more like cinematic. There we go. Oh, the map's getting blurry. I'm probably gonna get flung off too while I'm at it, so that's gonna be fun. Oh, I can see the mega shell. I can see the gas station, the fireworks store. The house that we leveled like over there, I think. Oh no, it's right there. I see that dirt pile. Should I stay as Shrek? I can be Scooby-Doo. I'm just gonna stay as Shrek. I'm gonna be Batman. I'm Batman. I don't think Batman would be condoning this levels of fireworks being exploded. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I think I should have made this instant, but you know, it'll go off eventually. Yabba-doo, yabba-dabba-doo, yabba-doo. You'll probably hear something. Oh, oh. Okay, it's going off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Very colorful, I can say that much. You can probably faintly hear them, but oh, now you can hear them. Dude, how did it only destroy? Oh, there goes the weather balloons. Well, I guess the only parts of town that didn't survive was the church. Although I think it was a pretty bad idea to be exploding a church in the first place with fireworks, no less, but well. Well, I guess the garden survived a nuke. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, this happens whenever you use a nuke. Don't ask why, I don't know why. Well, I guess that's all. Oh, I gotta change back to Shrek. Or. Okay, don't know what kind of avatar mods I install, but alright. I'm gonna be Walter White. Or, actually, no, we're gonna just stick with Shrek. Whoa. I guess we can do this. Just view the destruction we caused. That's awesome. Alright, we gotta get to the next map now. probably just gonna do the city map for now. I don't know if you guys want to watch an hour video of me blowing stuff up. Oh hey, it's whatever. Just gotta load it all in. So this is the city map. There's the bowling alley. Can I go in here? I don't think I can. Yeah, I don't think I can. Oh. Well, would you look at that? A fireworks store. You know what I like about fireworks stores? There. Okay, I just messed that up. Well, anyway, what I like about fireworks stores is that they're explosive. I hope this gets in there. Well, I hope the police didn't hear me blow up their fireworks store. Maybe they evacuated it because they knew I was coming into town. There's like no point in saving the city. Oh. Why is there a spotlight here? Alright, let's blow this up with a kitty. I wanna blow this up with a cat. This is not enough propane. We need more propane. I mean a lot more propane. I don't know why there's red propane and then white propane, but then again, I'm not Hank Hill, so I wouldn't know why. Now, Bobby, you need to get the premium propane in order to work a small space A, an auto clicker A. Jesus, that was strong. This isn't gonna end well. I'm probably gonna have to use a detonator, so, oh, I'm gonna have to use a firework, aren't I? Hold on. Place you there, make this instant, so no one has to wait. And then we'll blow it up with, actually, I feel like I should use powder instead of the, yeah, we're gonna use powder just to make this instantaneous. Because I feel like that'd be way funnier than doing it like slow burn. I'll use the doom boom still. I don't think I need to go too far, but hey. That's not good. Oh. Dang. That building went flying. Well, I'm gonna assume the gas station is no more? Well, looks like, yeah. Oh. Well, I guess they didn't lose their product, so that's a plus, right? Alright. Oh, another propane tank I see. You know what this calls for? I'm gonna use these things. I feel like that's enough. I don't know if these things explode instantaneously, but hey, let's be in the center of the explosion. And nothing happened. Okay. Oh. Never mind. I guess something did happen that time. I don't know why I did that, but Oh, can I launch these buildings like rockets? I wonder if I could. Well, that depends if I can pick up a building. I'm gonna have to use something explosive to move these things, aren't I? Previous. And nothing happened, okay. Why not this thing? Will that work? Okay, we're gonna have to do a big boy option. Oh, I guess I'm gonna be the center of this explosion. And nothing happened. Ugh, thank you. Oh, I know what's gonna work. Yeah, let's do this thing. And what I mean by hold on, what I mean by this thing, I mean these things. And I feel like that's enough. I'm not gonna try and individually link these. I'm just gonna hope they all fire. And while we're at it, we're gonna run really far away. There's the police station. That work? Oh my god. Everything is so laggy. Well, I kind of was asking for that, planting all those cannons. Did anything even move? Well, I'm getting like 1 frame a second, so I think that's normal. Oh, the sound's registering. This is weird. Did nothing move? Did I just blow all that up for nothing? That's the real question. I probably did just blow everything up for no reason and just fried my PC. Ugh, okay. Change of plans. We're gonna check out the dwarf map, and then I think that'll be it for today's video. Lectures by the community. Okay, I didn't get to read it. Oh yeah, there is multiplayer, but I don't know if letting people, trusting people with like nukes is a good idea. So yeah, we're just gonna keep those mods off and just play single player because you know I don't have friends. Realistic American suburb. Okay then. I don't need to lower the quality. Well, certainly is a dwarf city. I don't know if I want to jump down there. Oh my god, I just got an really awesome idea. What if I fill this pit with bombs? What would happen? Like, just put like a ton of these. I'm not going to use a nuke. Because I don't know if that would break everything. So we're just going to stick with these little fellas. I don't know if I can fill all of it. And if I probably did, it probably would explode. I'm gonna put some Maxwells in here too while we're at it. And then, should I put some Tims in here? I'm gonna get the ones that escaped. Hey, why is I should just move these in there, but whatever. Next, we'll put some Carlsons in there. There. Oh wait, how am I gonna connect these? Well, I think I'll just blow it up now as the grand finale of this video. Jeez, I didn't really think this part through of how would oh wait, I could just throw, hold on, I know what to do. Okay, whatever. We'll just use the amazing granny. I'll just chuck it in there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, it just misses. That's awesome. Well, let's use the horse. And if you don't know what the horse is, it's like this thing. It still missed. Okay. Well, maybe a missile would work. I'm gonna stand back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Get to cover, get to cover. Oh my god. This was not a good idea. No, but actually, I'm pretty sure my PC is fine. It probably isn't going to like that I'm exploding an entire pit of bombs. Am I flying? I feel like I am flying, but at the same time, I don't really want to know if I am. I don't know what's happening. I landed. I took a step. What? What did I do? Oh, I just... There's still stuff blowing up. Huh. I thought there'd be more destruction, but... win some, you lose some, I guess. Okay, there's still some going off. Oh god, there's still some going off. I think this would be like the safest room. Okay, now I'm kind of curious what happens if I would launch a nuke in here. Is it over? I'd like to imagine it is. Well, if it is over, then I might as well get this over with. I put it too far. Okay, it just drops down like that. Awesome. Huh. That was a little more anticlimactic than I thought it'd be. Maybe I should have just ended the video after the first one. Oh well. Well yeah, that's it for today's video, I guess. I know it might not be like the best thing the comeback was. I probably should finish Half-Life, but whatever. I just thought it'd be fun to show off my explosives. But yeah, if you liked the video, like, subscribe, and do the all the YouTuber things. And yeah.